On Saturday night alone, Chennai has received heavy rainfall which has led to water stagnation in several parts of the city. This is KK Nagar where you could see water up to the knee level. It's very unfortunate that people who are living on the roadside are really struggling currently, and they're trying to take the belongings and to go to a dry location. We are currently at Marina Beach in Chennai. This is a service lane, and just a couple of 100 meters away we have the beach. But however, this is also completely submerged, and people are trying hard to salvage whatever they could actually take from this location. This whole stretch would be full of shops. Everything is closed, and people are very much suffering because of one night's heavy rainfall in Chennai, and whatever they could salvage, they're trying to take it away. This is just one location. This is Marina, but several other locations in Chennai is also underwater. It is very unfortunate, and the officials claim that they are doing all they could to actually remove the water, but because of heavy rainfall, people are struggling like this. And the Chief Minister who went to North Chennai has also instructed not the officials but also his party men to help people who are suffering because of this rain, provide them with food, medicine and shelter, and assist authorities in any ways they could. But this is a condition currently. Several parts in Chennai is underwater, at least a knee deep of water, and people are. We're at Tenapet Vijayaraghava Road, where rescue officials are currently even using boats over here to move people from one direction to the other. This is a very important road, almost just a couple of 100 kilometers from DMK headquarters, and this is the condition at this point. Officials claim that they are trying to make sure that everybody's rescued from the place, and as we speak also on speaker they are requesting people who are on low-lying areas to leave the place immediately, move to shelters. Several schools have been converted to shelters where they will be requested to stay there. Medicines will be provided, food would be provided, and all sort of help is also being provided. As we speak, you could see people are being moved from one location to the other, and once again the boats are coming over. SDRF, NDRF, several teams are employed at this place, and the officials are making sure that no one is left behind, and people are being ferried to different areas wherever they want to go. All who are stuck in between this particular location are being moved as we speak, and on that location you could see people are removing whatever they could, and they're also leaving the place. This is one of the low-lying areas in Chennai, and unfortunately because of this heavy rain, people have suffered a lot at this point currently. With Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.